Here I have LENOVO Tab for LTE, and let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your welcome panel. Here you've got the list of available languages that you can use on this device. In my case, let me choose simply the English. Here let me tap English and let's choose your region. Alright, United Kingdom for example. Here you can also choose vision settings and for example use the talkback. And you may also use emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's go back and choose let's go. You can insert SIM card, but you may also activate your device without the SIM card. If you would like to watch how to insert the SIM and SD card, you can watch our other video. Let's tap skip for now. Let's choose setup as a new in my case, or if you would like to, you can copy your data from the iPhone or Android. Now you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, you can activate your device without the Wi-Fi, but I usually recommend this step because you can do more with your internet connection. So let me choose my network, the device is obtaining the IP address and the phone is connected. Now the tablet is simply checking for any available updates, so this may take a minute or two, so let's wait, let's be patient. Alright, now you can sign in into a Google account. It's not necessary, you can bypass this step, but also the Google account enables some interesting features. So let me do it. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link or use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's just simply input your email. That's it. Now it's time to tap next. And the device is asking you to enter the password. So let's wait a couple of seconds until I input my password. My tablet is ready, so let's tap next. Alright, choose agree. The phone is checking info and getting the account information. Alright, here you can sign in into the Lenovo ID, or you can skip it by tapping skip. You may protect your tablet by using PIN, pattern or password, or you can do it by using our other videos. You can see how to do it in settings, and for now let's choose not now, skip anyway. Here we've got some Google services that you can enable and use, for example the backup to Google Drive, help app finds your location, improve location accuracy, send system data. In my case, let me agree to all of them. Let's tap more and accept the following license. So let me skip the joining to Lenovo user experience and choose all set. The tablet is adding the finishing touches. Here we've got the information about multi-user and the home screen just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation, that the setup process of course is done, so everything went well. Now you may use your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.